Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another featured rig spotlight. This time it's going to be on Alicia's 2011 70th anniversary Jeep Wrangler JKU. So let's go ahead, let's get started. But before we do guys, we are in the middle of a Method Race Wheels giveaway. The best way to get entered for a set of Method Race Wheels is by picking up one of these awesome t-shirts that you can find right on our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway. So with that said, let's go. All right guys, so right off the bat, starting with the wheels and tires. If you're wondering if a 35-inch tire fits on a JKU Wrangler, Alicia runs a 315/70/17. Now the 315/70s are just about a 35-inch tire. Now to fit these 35-inch BFG KO2s, she has a 2.5-inch lift metal cloak suspension running the Falcon, the 3.2 shocks. These Falcon shocks you can find right on our website, same with the tires, and Dirty Life 17-inch 9303 wheels as well. Now these Dirty Life here, these wheels have the outer rock ring. These are not the beadlocks, but you can also get the beadlocks right on trailbuiltoffroad.com. So just moving on to the side, we have the side steps here on the side. She's got some pretty neat kind of little custom inserts there on the door handles. Got the nice smoked out tail lights, gives it a nice blend in look. And then on the back, Alicia has this TerraFlex. It's the heavy duty spare tire carrier holding on the spare tire here. She does also have the TerraFlex rack, the cargo rack that's in the back here. And then with this color, now this is a 1 out of 100 copper sort of a tone color that was only produced for the 70th model anniversary edition. So pretty neat and pretty rare. Moving on to the front, Alicia just put on this Deegan 38 front recovery bumper and this Rough Country 9500 with synthetic rope that she just picked up from trailbuiltoffroad.com. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the flex test. Let's get it. All right guys, so we have just lifted up the front end and it is absolutely flexing awesome. Now, Alicia daily drives this and off-roads it too. She's an avid off-roader, been off-roading a bunch of times with her. And we also have the front disconnects disconnected. She has the quick disconnects on here as well. So with all of that said, let's see how well we're doing. So we always like to go right to the lowest lug on the bottom of the tire. All right, so 34 inches. That's amazing, 34 inches for a daily driver, 2.5-inch lift on basically 35s. Very cool. All right guys, well that has been another featured rig spotlight, this time on Alicia's 2011 Jeep Wrangler Special 70th Anniversary Edition. And remember, if you guys haven't already uploaded your rigs to the gallery, it's just trailbuiltoffroad.com and then just look for that gallery button on the menu bar and hit add. Other than that, make sure and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.